getting back to what you were saying about the groups of particles and an atom and that sort of thing, we've taken advantage of that in our design, whereas we can tunnel with what we call the main body vehicle, which we have to strictly adhere to the cap cone design, where we can stretch that into a cigar shape, if you will, for the main body vehicle. But at the same time, we can have the what we call the orbiting drone vehicles, or ODVs, that will orbit around the vehicle and tunnel in a bound state as one particle would, and that's what happens with atoms. You have the nucleus with the electrons orbiting around it, traveling as one unit or in a bound state. Now, the orbiting of the ODVs around the MBV, or main body vehicle, the larger cigar-shaped vehicle, which has the payload, the personnel on board, and the various cargo that you would haul, with the lighter unmanned drones orbiting around the vehicle. They don't have to, orbit very fast. There's been a lot of tests that NASA kind of came up with a mother-daughter satellite system in outer space that kind of takes advantage of the same thing, where you have your exeter frequencies between the orbiting vehicles and your main body vehicle traveling as one, if you will. And what this does, Tim, is it allows us to investigate or explore dangerous areas where the main body vehicle, MBV, can sit outside in space and send in the unmanned drones to a perhaps dangerous area to explore those areas without causing any danger to anybody on board. So that's a very good feather in our hats that we're taking advantage of this bound state system, and it's something that is part of our design as well. And so, yeah, that's a very good point. And as far as compressing space, it's the same as the conditioned electromagnetic fields. We're not really compressing space. What we're doing is we're kind of opening up a bubble